Welcome back to the All Seasons channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Here's my buddy Doug. Doug's going to tell us what not to do with a pop-up. He's a fairly new pop-up owner, and one of the first times he went to use it, he had a little boo-boo. So we're going to take you right over here to his camper, and he's going to show you what not to do with your pop-up. Hey, speaking of what not to do, now would be a good time to do the things down below. Let's go. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring the notification bell. And now we're going to go over here and see what Doug's got to say.
As I started to raise the camper, I had latches hooked and I had pins in them. I took all the pins out and forgot to unlatch the two back latches. And when I raised it up, it made a loud popping noise and sprung both of the rear springs.
Yeah, well, so show us what happened, Doug.
So this is what happens.
That does not look good, Doug.
No. So Kenny's gracious enough to help me repair it. So I was actually able to find the new springs for it, and hopefully we'll get it back together today and make it work.
And that's what we're after, so we can go camping, right, Doug?
Yes.
Yes. So him and his family go
yes.
camping. But hey, that's just a real quick. This is not a how-to video. This is a how not to video. So hey, as always, thanks for watching. Me and Doug's gonna fix this one, and then we got the rest of the day off. So y'all have a great day.